Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I want to introduce to you my new live event funnel. This is a complete selling system for selling tickets to things like retreats, live workshops, seminars, conferences, concerts, festivals, whatever it is. It's perfect for selling tickets for those kind of things. So what do you get with this particular funnel? Well, everything that you need actually. So you're going to get these pages that we see here. Now let's just show you the home page. This is really easy to adjust in Kartra, the platform that I've built this particular funnel in. So you can adjust the background, you can adjust all of the text and everything to get it just right for your event. But all the hard work's been done in terms of the layout. We've got built-in animations there. You can have a video of perhaps past events or just a straightforward sales video to sell your event right here. And again, you can host this in Kartra, so it's all in the one system. Then we've got all of your speakers who may be coming to the event. We've got a section here on the schedules for each day of your event. And then some photographs that you can put here to sell the event, or perhaps from last year's again. And then how to get to the venue wherever you're holding it. And then here's where they can order their tickets. And what I've done is given the chance for people to have 3 different types of tickets. You can change this. You might just have one price for your tickets, but if you wanted to have 3, they're all set up here for you. We've got our guarantee, the event sponsors, and then the FAQs down the bottom and the ability to go and share this event with friends. All of this is just on one nice simple page with a navigation up here, so they can just flick straight through to the perfect part, and then of course, all importantly, go and buy those tickets. And when they do, what we're going to do is offer them 3 different amounts of tickets, so they can choose from 1, 2 or 5 and then get discounts according to however many they have. Now, what we've got the capability of doing here with Kartra is to also offer a bump sale, a nice little selection box there. They just tick it, and then we're going to add event recordings to this particular funnel. But this can be changed, and you can have whatever bump offer that you want, but it increases average order values and makes you more money for your event. So there we go. Now, if they don't go and buy this, we're going to put them into an email sequence as well later to try and sell it to them later on. So there's the homepage, and then once they've purchased their tickets, they'll go through to this, and then instructions are there for them to go and print out their receipt that they'll have received automatically for purchasing their tickets, and then they can bring that along to your event. As I say, we've also got an affiliate program built in with Kartra that we can use to promote your event. So I've set up a page for you to sell to the affiliates to promote your program, your actual event. And then they'll be able to join that affiliate program right here. Just go in and edit the amounts of commission and things that you would like to pay out. But the basics are all there, even like affiliate promotion rules, standard good rules for running an affiliate program. And then once they have joined your affiliate program, you can then send them to this page, an affiliate resources page, where they can go and grab banners to promote your live event. And email swipe copy, even social media posts are all laid out here for you so that you can just quickly adjust these and then send your affiliates to go and grab their stuff. So how does it all work in the background? Well, let's now take a look at the email sequences that we have. We've got an email sequence for people who didn't buy your bump offer. We've got another one for people who went onto the shopping cart and then bailed. And then we have upgrading from bronze and silver. So if they just buy a bronze or silver ticket here on your homepage, then what we're going to do is try and move them up to buy your most expensive ticket, the gold. And of course, you can change the names of these. I've just put bronze, silver, gold. It can be anything that you want. So that's what we're going to do with our email sequences. All of this is done for you. Even the copy outline is done for you. So here's a sequence to upgrade people from the bronze to the gold. And you'll see it says their special offer, upgrade to VIP first name, and then their first name will be there. I've laid everything out for you. So all you've got to do is quickly go in, edit the copy, and the framework for the copy is there. And then just add a link going straight to the checkout for them to go and buy the gold tickets. So that's done. And we have a countdown timer system here. So by the time they get to the 3rd day, we're now automatically counting down a 24-hour timer before you take away the discount. And there we are. You've got your countdown that will run there automatically. And it's based on what time they come into this sequence. So it all works out perfectly. It doesn't matter when they come into this sequence. That 3-day timer for the offer is all done automatically in the background. And it's done and people are moved around through those sequences all in the background. You don't have to deal with any of it. It's all done here with automation. So for example, what we do is if somebody buys a silver ticket, we'll send them the nice thank you email and everything else. And then also we'll check to see if they bought the bump offer. If they didn't, we're going to put them in that email sequence and so on. So what we're trying to do is gain you the maximum revenue from your event, all with automations and just gently moving your people up to buy the higher price tickets. You also get a membership all set up for you as well. And the reason that I've done this, in case you did want to go and sell the actual event recordings, if you're able to do that, we've put them all in here. So you can just drop in your videos of the recordings of the event, and the membership has all been set up, including like the login email that they get. It's all laid out nicely, so they get a login if they purchase the recordings, and then they'll come into here. So that's the membership system there as well. All of the products have been set up in Kartra for you too. Bronze, the price to upgrade from bronze to gold, the bump offer, the gold VIP tickets, the silver tickets, and then the silver upgrade to gold. So again, you can change the names of all these. You can change all of the icons and the descriptions of these, but the framework is there for you to be able to sell 3 different price tickets to your event. You can reduce that down to just 1 or even 2. That's very simple to do, because I also provide full video training with this funnel, and you're able to comment underneath the videos and ask me questions and get my help and support to make this just right for your particular event. I've also included a help desk there for you as well. So as people go through your funnel, you'll see it just down here. They'll be able to just ask questions straight away and then go into your ticket system so that you can keep that great customer support and get everyone happy buying tickets for your live event. So that's the live event funnel. It's taken somewhere in the region of 40 to 50 hours to create by me, an experienced and skilled funnel builder. So for yourself, it's just going to take a little bit of time to edit, but with my help and support, we'll make that as easy as possible. But you're going to save an awful lot of time, and you're going to sell an awful lot of tickets to your next live event. So if you want this funnel, just press the button above this video if you're in the Kartra Marketplace, or if you're on my own website, then you can just click See Pricing below this video. And then you can get this funnel in 3 different ways. One is that you just download it into your Kartra account, and then you edit it with my help and support. The second way is that we will add all of your content for you and get it set up. And then the third way is if you wanted to purchase this funnel and resell it to your own clients, then you can get the funnel resale package. So that's all of it. If you've got any questions at all, just use my live support link. If you're on my website, get in touch and I'll help you. Otherwise, just get this funnel purchased and let's start making you lots of event ticket sales. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.